What's up, guys? We're here on the Alfa Pizza Oven, me and Coop. I'm gonna make a pizza in 90 seconds. What do you think about that, bro?
I'm gonna time him.
All right, let's start. Hit start. You ready?
Yep.
You gotta give me a red roll. All right, let's put that guy right in. All right, man, we add the wood to the left and the right. We got this up over 900 degrees. All right? I'm gonna switch pizza peels out to the little guy, the turner. All right? I'm gonna check it. Give it a quarter turn, move it back again. Let me see, Coop. Look at that pie, man. It's fluffing up nice. Keep it right in the back. Nice heat on the back. Just gonna move it one more time to the front. Look how nice that looks, huh? Slide it right in. Let the pizza do the work. How do you think we're looking on time?
Good, 50 seconds.
50 seconds, halfway. What do you think, gang? I might beat my old record in 90 seconds. I think I might beat it. Coop, give me the 75-second time. Where am I at now?
You're at 1 minute, 10 seconds.
All right. 70. Ooh, man. I think I might pull it now. I think I beat my old record. What do you think, Coop? You tell me when I'm done.
I think you're good.
Think I'm golden?
Yep.
That's a pro pizza, under 90 seconds in Alfa. Get them at Don's Appliances, buddy. It's the way to get it.